Good morning, guys. Today we're going to talk a little about my toilet, which I love very much. I have used this Thetford for a couple of years, and I must say a toilet in the car is a must. I really love it, but it has some disadvantages. And the biggest one is definitely the flushing system with the water. First of all, it's very heavy. It's close to 20 kilos. Around 19 kilos with a full tank of water. And like I said, excellent. But when you have to empty it, you have to empty it usually when you are at places where there are no places to empty it. Ooh, that was a weird sentence, but I hope you understand it. And then what do? It's not allowed to put the trash in the nature. So I searched the net and found lots of van users are using another toilet which is from Trelino. That is a compost toilet, which is much more handy. So I reached out for them and they have now sent me one. So let me show you that one. That is excellent. And here it is, guys. Nice big brown paper box. And inside it you have some plastic, and then you have the toilet. And here it is, guys. Isn't that cute? Weighs almost nothing. 3.9 kilos. This is the smallest one. They have 3 different sizes. All has the same size on the outside, but it's only the height that differs. Soft close. Soft close in a car. How amazing is that? Let's see what's included inside the toilet, because there are some nice things. You get this poop socks. How nice is that? Your own poop socks. Fantastic. You get a bag of litter, which also makes helps smells away. This you use on the number 2 stuff to make it dry faster and to cover it. Yeah. You get not 1 bag, not 2, but on my toilet you get 3 rolls of plastic bag to use for the number 2, and this is looks like it should be 18 liters. Then I also found a booklet, manual or something. Yeah. And then to the main system. You can lift this up. And here you have the secret, if you can call it that. Number 1 and number 2. Really clever design. Works excellent. And inside here you have a lid. Came back to that. You have a bucket, which is for the number 2, which also contains a lid. Made from plastic. Very solid, and yeah, you won't break it. Excellent quality. Then you have the number 1. This one. This one has a lid to transport it, because here there are a small valve, anti-splash valve, which looks like this. It's made from very soft silicone, I think. So when the pee enters, it will go through, and when you have it closed, the pee will not splash around, because of this will be closed. Very clever design. And then you take the pee with you. And you can just empty this out in the nature, really. There is no problem. When we take a look at the inside, there is dividers and everything is perfectly fitted for the system that is included. like the urine one, it fits only one way, not here, but down here. The same with the poop bucket, only fits one way. And then you have the lid, has its own place on the back side of the poop can. Very nice, eh? And this one, just lying on the side there. There's no separate room for it, but it lays very well there, no problem at all. And when it comes to the plastic, this one is made from a very tough, hard plastic. This seems to be made from the same, but even tougher. Very nice, smooth texture on this one. Small groove. Here also on each side, so you can open it. And a handle on each side. Fantastic, eh? You also get some accessories for them, like a leather strap to carry it with and something like that. I will provide links for it down below so you can check out their website. So let's get rid of the old one. And see how the new one is fitting. This is the old Thetford, very heavy because it's full of water. And this one weighs nothing. Fantastic. Now I also can get rid of this one. Less stuff to carry, the better. Look at that. It's so nice. Let's test. Yeah, should work excellent. Big guy like me, 100 kilos, no problem. And this is how it looks like inside my little Westfalia. Plenty of room. You get a lot of spare room, so you can store a lot of stuff. This is going to be so nice. Here we have them side by side. Definitely a big saving in space. Look at that cute little Trelino. You get this one in 3 different sizes, height-wise. Same on the outside. There is of course different cans inside as well. Bigger cans for the bigger toilets. That is also good to know. But look at this. It's so cute. Let's test the number 2 bags. Let's see how that fits. See if it's possible to open this. Yep. This is glued. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, that's a nice one. Holy shit. Okay, nice. Looks like an ordinary shopping bag. Very nice, eh? Very nice indeed. Yeah, then we are all good to go. Yes, So nice, so nice. When you have used this toilet for a while, you will very quickly find out that it is best to sit up straight when you're doing number 2, and maybe a little forward when you're doing number 1. That will be less messy. Just a tip, which is good to know. The spare plastic bag fits perfectly on the side there. You can have one on each side. And you can still have this lid inside here. There is no problem at all, because there are plenty of room on each side of this one. So you can even put the third roll on top here, and still the lid will close without any problem. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but here we go. No gaps, no problem. Hopefully, maybe you can see that, I don't know. The maximum toilet you can have in a Westfalia toilet box, I think you maybe can have the medium one. The medium one is 36 centimeters tall. And if I measure this one from the bottom, then 36 is just over this lid. So I think maybe that is the absolute maximum. It's 5 millimeters over. This this lock on my one is 35.5. But this small one is only 29.6 centimeters. So that is a lot of room to spare. The biggest one is 43 centimeters. And that will be 43. Let's see what that is. That is up here. So that will go way over the box. You get them in white and anthracite colors, which can be good to know. The nice guys at Trelino has provided me with a code you can use when you are putting the toilet in your shopping cart. And if you use this code, Italjohn, you will get a nice surprise gift. You can test this out without need to pay anything. Just put the toilet in the cart and type Italjohn, and you will see immediately what is the goodie bag. It's worth checking out. Okay guys, that's all from me and my new highly beloved Trelino toilet. Hope to see you next one. I'm going to enjoy some camping now. See you. Goodbye.